Power down your LG V20 phone. Press the release button to remove the LG V20's metal battery cover. Easily lift out the 3200 mAh replaceable LG V20 battery. Remove the following 21 Phillips screws. These screws are different sizes, so be sure to remember where they go. With the triangle opening tool in hand, extricate the tight-fitting top and bottom metal covers. After attacking some pryable clips, pop off the LG V20 exterior midframe with ease. Detach the LG V20 loudspeaker from the midframe. Secured in place with only light adhesive, the back-mounted LG V20 power button with fingerprint sensor is easily removed. Disconnect the front-facing camera and display cable from the motherboard. Spudge up the LG V20 motherboard. Remove the auxiliary 8-megapixel LG V20 rear shooter with the trick wide-angle lens. Extract the primary 16-megapixel LG V20 rear-facing camera from the motherboard. Plug out the 5-megapixel LG V20 front-facing camera. No tools necessary. Tweeze up the LG V20 earpiece speaker. The next components to surrender are the LG V20 vibrator and a microphone. Pry the 3.5mm headphone jack out of the chassis. Use the tweezers to carefully peel up the display cables. The 5.7-inch LG V20 Quad HD IPS display assembly is glued on solidly to the interior midframe. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use a playing card to slice through the sticky adhesive and decouple the LG V20 screen from the midframe.